Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making a Jaguar. I've been inspired from learning more about the Mesoamerican mythologies, and it seems as though the Jaguar plays an important role across many of the cultures, including the Aztec and the Maya. Since the Jaguar is the largest cat in the Americas and is such a fearsome predator, the animal is seen as a symbol of power and strength. In some cultures, the Jaguar represented fertility and protection. Sometimes it was even viewed as the ruler of the underworld. One fairly common theme, however, was the link between the Jaguar, the night, and the cycle of the sun. The mythologies of Mesoamerica surrounding the Jaguar run deep and really paint the picture of how impactful this creature was for the people of those cultures. For this sculpt, I wanted the Jaguar to be in a crouched pose, as if about to pounce. This was definitely a study on feline anatomy, and painting on spots was tedious, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you'd like this model for yourself, the STL is free to download at any of the links in the pinned comment below. Also, if you're thinking of getting Shapelab, I have a promo code that will make it a total of 35% off. Use SL Prism when you purchase the subscription or perpetual license on their website. If you're buying it on the Meta store, it's SL Prism-A0B9F3. All this information is in the description if you're interested. I hope you all like the finished Jaguar miniature and try printing it for yourself. If you like having new models to print, enjoy videos like these, or would just like to show support, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for checking this out, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.